Hello, this is video for Mathematics for Game Programmers courses first module, which is Trigonometry, and I will tell you first how to compute lengths between 2 points in xy coordinate. And I use Paint to demonstrate this, and I say sorry for advance because my mouse is very inaccurate, but I hope I will manage. So I have this coordinate here and the right side triangle, and which have corners A, B, C. A have coordinates x coordinate -2, y -1, B x coordinate will be 3 and y -1, C both x, y is 3. And I want to know this distance from A to B. So I use this kind of theory from Pythagorean theorem, which is x1 minus x2 in brackets powered by 2 plus a1 minus a2 in brackets powered by 2, and well, whole thing is taken square root. So what is x1? x1 would be from here, from A's x, which is -2, minus C's x is 3, -3, brackets powered by 2, and y1 will be this A's -1, and C's y would be 3, so -3 powered by 2 square root from that. And if we calculate this -1 minus 3 is -5, plus -1 minus 3 is -4, square root, and if we calculate those powered by 2 is -5 multiplied by -5, 2 negatives will get 1 positive, result is 25, plus -4 is 16, and that would be 30, 41. And if we take the square root from that, that would be, let's calculate it, square root, about 6.4. 6.4. So this distance would be 6.4. So all you need to know is about this theorem, and it's very simple to use. Just remember to take the calculate in correct order, and that is that. Next I will tell you about how to change degrees to radians and radians to degrees. I remove this, and if we take a look this circle, the circle will be 360 degrees, and that would be 2 pi radians. 2 pi radians is 360 degrees. And we can subtract that to half circle. Half circle will be 1 radians, and half circle is of course 180 degrees. And now if we take a look of this and like to get what is 1 radian, this is radians still. 1 radian will get we divide these both sides with this pi. So it would be pi over pi is 180 over pi. And these are subtracted away, so it would be 1 rad would be 180 over pi in degrees. And in same way we can get how many degrees, how many radians is 1 degree. So we divide both sides again with, but now with the 180 is 180 over 180. These are subtracted away, so we get this as result. So 1 degree would be pi over 180 radians. So with this is the most important thing. When you have done this would be easy. So like we want to know how much 30 degrees is in radians. We just multiply this with this. We want 1 dec to radians. So we use this. Multiply, just take this from here. Pi over 180 rad would be 30 pi over 180, and we can subtract this to 3, 6, 9, 12. Because this goes 6 times. 30 goes 6 times to 180, so we can subtract this to like this. So that will be answer. And if we wanna know how much is like 5 radians in degrees, we took, so we wanna know 1 rad in degrees, so we take this in use, again multiply, but now it's just the other way around. Degrees this time. So oh sorry, we need this pi also. I'm not sure about this. Is it 1? Here is this way. Okay. I put it not other way around. So it's not, maybe not so totally clear for me either, but anyways, like this, pi over 5, and we wanna put this to degrees, so we can subtract these pi's off, and what is left is this 180 over 5, and that would be how much, I don't know, let's calculate. Over 5 would be 36 degrees. So this would be the answer. Alright, so just remember, use these, and it will be pretty easy. And the last thing would be this, how to compute coordinate points in circle when the midpoint, the radius and the angle is known. So we'll clear these off. and put the coordinate axle here, y and x, and let's say that we know this point, it will be 0, 0, and we know here is some point, and we know this radius, length of this radius, let's say it will be 5, and we know this angle, it will be like 32 degrees, so we can complete this triangle by dropping this side over here, so we have this right side triangle. And if we look at this, you can see that this goes among the x-axle, so we can name this the x side, and this go among the y-axle, so this will be y. So this is what we need, is those sine, cosine and tangent functions. And when you need to calculate the opposite side of the triangle, you need sine, and if you need to calculate the adjacent side, you need cosine, and if you need to calculate the hypotenuse, you use tangent. And there was the memory rule. For that is this sokahtoa. So it's the sine opposite over hypotenuse, cosine, adjacent, I don't know how to pronounce it, but adjacent over hypotenuse, and the tangent will be opposite over adjacent. So if you wanna calculate this one like x first, we need this hypotenuse length to calculate it, and this cosine. So we multiplied this cosine with that length of hypotenuse. So cosine 32 would be 32 cosine would be that, and that multiplied by 5 would be about 4.2. So this would be 4.2. And y axle again, take this hypotenuse length, multiply it with, now we use, because we want to know the opposite side, we use sine. So sine, and again this angle 32, and let's calculate it. 32 sine multiply 5 will be about 2 point, is that 7 or 6? 5, maybe it's that 6. 3.6. So that would be 2.6, and so now we have the lengths of these sides and the coordinates. So this point here will be 4.2, and this point here will be 2.6. So that was all. I'm out of time, so thanks for watching. Bye.